Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on a Chevy Impala. First, ensure your safety by parking on a level, stable surface, well away from traffic. Always engage your parking brake and activate your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Before you begin, gather all essential tools: your jack, lug wrench, and the spare tire. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and safer. Now, before you lift the car, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut about 1/2 turn. Do not remove them completely yet. Next, position the jack securely under the vehicle's frame, close to the flat tire. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact jack points. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts by hand. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Gently pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, carefully lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten the lug nuts as much as possible. Then, slowly lower the vehicle until the tire just touches the ground, but the full weight is not yet on it. Now, fully tighten all lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below. Finally, lower the vehicle completely, check the spare's tire pressure, and drive cautiously to a service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.